Welcome! Today we'll learn how to use Google Colab to write and run Python programs directly in your browser. First, sign in using your Google account. This allows you to save your notebooks automatically in Google Drive. Next, create a new notebook. You can also rename it to keep your Python programs organized. Click the Code button to insert a code block. Type your Python program and press the Run button to execute it. Save time using shortcuts. Shift plus Enter runs a cell. Control plus M then B adds a new code cell below. Control plus M then A adds one above. Your notebook is saved automatically in Google Drive. Keep practicing Python programs in Google Colab. Happy coding!